The add layout directive in Blazor is used to specify a layout component for a razor component or page. Layout components help us apply consistent look and feel across multiple pages. Now let's create the example. Namely, we will create a custom layout, then use the custom layout in the home page instead of the default layout. In general, layouts are resides inside the layout folder. Therefore, I will create the custom layout just inside this layout folder. Let's do that. Okay, I just create the component. Actually, layouts are inherits from layout component base class. Let's see the default layout first. This is the default layout or main layout. Layout inherits from layout component base. Therefore, we just copy this. Okay, just put it here. Okay, now let's do the other things. For example, in this layout, let's just put two lines here. For example, one line here, second line just here. Namely, inside this two line is the body. If we use this custom layout in the home page, the content of the home page will be replaced by this at body portion. Namely, inside this two line, that this is the top line and this is the below line. Inside this line is the home page content, for example, when we apply this custom layout to the home page. Therefore, in order to easy understanding, I just add here two line. Okay, now let's save this. Let's implement this custom layout in the home page. Okay, now I just implement the custom layout. Just save this and run the application. Hopefully, in the UI, we will see a custom layout instead of the default layout for the home page. But other pages, for example, contact page or weather pages, is use the previous default layout. Namely, in the home page, hopefully we will see at the section in custom layout, then a line. After that, the home page content. Then we have a line. After that, we will see footer section in custom layout. Therefore, let's run the application and see the result. Okay, the application is running. Here we go. First, we just see that header section in custom layout, then a line here, and then this is the content of the home page. The content of the home page is displaying just between these two lines. I just put two lines there. Then here is the footer section in custom layout. Let's put the UI and the source code line by line and see it. If I here contact page, previously I just mentioned that only for home page we are displaying the custom layout. For other pages, for example, contact page or weather page, we are using the default layout or main layout. For example, let me display this weather page. This is also the default layout. Only this home page is custom layout. Okay, let's do that. Here we go. Hit the section in custom layout, and this is the content of the page or home page. This is the footer portion of the layout, custom layout. In the home page, if I don't use this, if I comment out this, or if I delete this and run again, for example, okay, I just save this and run again, we will see here the old or our main layout or default layout. Here we go. This is the main layout. Now we are in the home page. It's restored to the main layout or default layout. If I undo this and save it again, at that time, okay, it's changed. Therefore, by using this at layout, we can implement our custom layout. This is very powerful and very convenient directive in Blazor applications. Sometimes we use that custom layout with parameter. Namely, we can pass parameter to the custom layout. At that time, we can change look and feel in the application. If we have a large application, we might use different layouts with different layout parameters. At the time, we need to use parameterized layout. The layout directive in Blazor is a powerful tool for organizing our applications user interface consistently. By using layouts, we can apply a uniform structure and style to multiple pages, making it easier to manage and update our app's appearance.